Before
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim
starting
and
our topic,
Assalamu
here
alaikum.
are some instructions. Listen the teacher quietly and carefully. During the teaching, don't unmute yourself and note down the query on the separate page and ask at the end of the lesson. Don't raise hand during teaching. Ask question at the end of the teaching in the chat box. Use hand free if you are using mobile and headphone. For computer, use feed your ID password properly with your name and class. Take care of time for attending the class. If there is any disconnectivity during the teaching, try to rejoin again within 3 or 5 minutes. Don't turn on video during teaching. I'm repeating a student, if you need any query, if you want to ask any questions, you can type in the chat box or you can raise your hand. Okay. During lecture, you can ask the questions. Let's start the topic. Our objective, student will be able to understand how to write a letter, an autobiography of the garbage truck, okay, and how to write an application also. Today we will understand how to write an autobiography, and we will write the autobiography of the garbage truck, and we will understand how to write a letter. Also, we will understand how to write an application. Okay, so let's start our writing topic. Let's start and kindly student register yourself by your name. Okay, so I can mark your today's attendance. Today is the 31st May, so I mark your attendance. So kindly register yourself by your name instead of your phone number. Okay, and today's our topic in our course book topic, writing. Actually, we have done the garbage truck. Uh, we have done the poem. Okay, we have in previous classes. We did the question answers. We did the vocabulary, grammar, spellings, all the topics we have covered. And now, what we are going to learn, we are going to learn writing. Here we have a writing topic, okay, in our course book. So let's have a look the page number 18 in our course book. Writing topic. What does the garbage truck do during day? Use adverbs and adverbial of frequency to write about this. Write about his day. The first one has been done for you. As you are told by me that we have done the cover, we have done the topic of grammar, adverbial and adverbial frequency in our previous classes, and this topic is related to this adverb and adverbial of frequency. Every morning, the garbage truck arrives punctually at my neighborhood every morning. Okay, here what is adverb? Punctually at my neighborhood every morning. Okay, so what we have to do, use adverbs and adverbial of frequency, and we have to write about his day. Whose days? Garbage truck. During the day, what does the garbage truck do during the day? So we have to use the adverb and adverbial of frequency. Okay, the next one, always. Always, garbage truck always come on time, always comes on time. Here we have always, and we have to make that adverbial of frequency, and we have to write the sentence. And what we have to write, what does the garbage truck do during the day? The garbage truck always comes on time. Usually, food is usually stuck between its pointy teeth. Often, it often eats quickly and recklessly. Sometimes it comes late. Hmm. Rarely, garbage truck really does not come. Never, it never gets fat and plump. Every morning, every every evening, it spreads all garbage at garbage dump. So take a screenshot so you can do it after the class. Okay, whenever you get the free time, you can write it And if you get any query, you can type in the chat box or you can raise your hand. Okay. So what we have done here, we have done the activities. What does the garbage truck do during the day? And we have to use the adverb and adverbial of frequency to write about his day. So we have used adverb and adverb of frequency. Have you taken the screenshot? Let's move further. Here in your activity book, okay, writing topic, at the end of the unit you have a writing topic in your activity book. In your course book, the active writing topic we have, so we have done and now we are going to do writing topic in your activity book. At the end of the unit you have a writing topic. What is the writing topic? Plan a poem about the sun by filling in the chart below. What you have to do, you have to plan the poem. You have to complete a poem, it means. And what the poem is about? The poem is about sun by filling in the chart below. Sun. The poem is about the sun. So the first stanza is given to you. Description of the sun: a gigantic round balloon hanging high up in the air, wearing a big cheerful smile. Description of the sun: here you are, okay, in stanza 1, a gigantic round balloon hanging high up in the air, wearing a big cheerful smile. It means that a round balloon is hanging high up in the air. It means it's hanging up high in the air. It is in the air and hanging up, wearing a big cheerful smile. Okay, it's our first stanza. In the stanza number 2, how would you describe the sun? How would you describe the sun? So let's do it. The sun is round and looks like a round balloon. Okay, if you see the sun, how does it look like? Definitely, it looks like a round balloon. So we are going to write over here. How does the sun? How would we describe the sun? The sun is round and looks like a round balloon. It is very far away from the earth in space. It wears a smile of happiness. Okay, let's take a screenshot. We have done the poem. First stanza is given to you and the second stanza is how would you describe the sun. So we have done the second stanza like this. The sun is round and looks like a round balloon, is very far away from the earth in space. It wears a smile of happiness. If you need to ask any question, you can type in the chat box or you can raise your hand. Okay, take a screenshot and let's move further. Here you are, the next activity which is given into your activity book. At the end of the unit, you have a writing topic and we are going to cover the writing topic over here. Okay, and keep in your mind, student, register yourself by your name. So I'll mark your attendance. Okay, write your poem below. The sun. The sun is a gigantic round balloon hanging up high, hanging up in the air, wearing a big cheerful smile. Okay. So what we have done, the sun is a yellow orange ball shining in the sky. Never say goodbye. Okay. Never say goodbye. Here we are making the rhyming word, but we all know that sun goes gone. Some sun is gone away, and moon comes, and the moon comes. But in another country, in another part of the world, the sun is rising. So it means we can say that sun never say goodbye. Okay, if we have a moon, so in another country sun is rising. Okay, so we can say that sun never say goodbye to the world. Okay, Savera Fayaz, you are asking the meaning of cheerful. It means that glad, in a happy mood. Okay, in a very cheerful mood, in a very happy mood. Okay, Savera Fayaz. So let's take a screenshot so we will move further. Here we will do what the essay, and our essay is about the autobiography. So first you will understand how to write an autobiography. Okay, how to write an autobiography. We will understand what is autobiography. If you need to ask any question, you can raise your hand, okay, and you can type a message in the chat box. And here we are, the kindly register yourself by your name instead of your phone name or ABC. Okay, someone is writing, someone is attending the class by ABC instead of name, so kindly put your name. Okay, Anaya, could be you want to ask any question. You are raising your hand. So unmute yourself, beta, so I can hear you. Unmute yourself, Anaya.
मिस बुक में काम पेंसिल से करना है.
No, 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 beta. In the very first class, I told you that just do your work by the pen because you are in a fourth standard now. From the fourth standard, what we do, we start work by the blue pen, okay? And the answer will be written by the blue ink pen, fountain pen, and the question will be written by the black pointer, okay? And the heading will be done by the cut marker, blue cut marker or black cut marker. Okay, okay, Anaya. Okay, here we are. Okay, Anaya. Huran Faisal, do you want any question? Huran,
मिस
yes, beta.
मिस
Hmm.
वो ये ऐसे कॉम्पोजिशन साइड लिखना है.
G, beta. Exactly. I told you in a very first day, and you have been doing in a practice. Okay, you have been in a practice that we make two portion of the copy. First for the comprehension side
मिस
and
एप्लीकेशन वगैरह भी ना.
G, beta, G. Huran Faisal, I'm telling you, beta, listen to me very carefully. Make two portion of the copy. First for the comprehension side and second for the composition side. Okay, at the middle of the copy.
यस मिस.
And second portion for the
यस
composition where you will do the essay and you will write the letter or the application over there by the blue ink pen. Okay. First, you will write the question in the separate page by the black pointer, and the application will be written by the blue ink pen, okay, in the next page. Okay, do all work. Question will be written in the separate page and the application will be written in the separate page. Okay, and for the letter, question will be written in the separate page
मिस
along with the title, and the letter will be written by the another page, and essay you will write by the blue ink pen. Okay, Huran?
मिस
Ask question, beta. Huran?
आप कौन सी टीचर है.
Beta, I'm your English teacher, Miss Farah Ayaz. Okay? Okay, Huran? Okay.
यस
Abish, unmute yourself. Abish, unmute yourself, beta. You are raising your hand. So if you unmute yourself, so I can hear you. Ji, beta, ask the question. Ask question, Abish. You are raising hand. Unmute yourself, so I can hear you, beta. Hafsa Asif, unmute yourself. You are raising hand, Hafsa. So if you unmute yourself, so I can hear you, beta. Hafsa, you are raising hand. So if you unmute yourself, so I can hear you. Hafsa, do you want question? You are raising hand, Hafsa Asif. Unmute yourself. You are raising hand, Hafsa. Okay, I think you don't want to ask any question. You're just raising hand. Okay. Huran Faisal, do you want another question? Huran?
मिस
जी
ये जो
बेटा.
आपने सारा काम बताया कॉपी में करना है.
जी बेटा, नहीं, राइटिंग वाला जो काम है अभी मैंने आपको करवाया, तो the slides I showed you, this work will be done in the course book and the activity book. Okay, activity book will be done in
Yes.
the activity book, and the workbook work will be done in the workbook. Only the essay, letter, and application, which we are going to learn, okay, that will be done in the copy. Okay,
मिस आपने पहले
राइटिंग
मिस
हुरैन राइटिंग के जो टॉपिक बताए ना अभी मैंने आपको, वो कोर्स बुक में और वर्कबुक में करने हैं,
यस
ठीक है। और अभी जो हम
यस
एप्लीकेशन और लेटर
मिस
और ऐसे करेंगे ना, वो कॉपी में करना है।
मिस
जी बेटा।
जो आपने पहले फैबुलस बीस्ट का चैप्टर कराया था ना,
जी जी
फैबुलस बीस्ट का,
जी 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 जी
वो मैंने ना सारा कर लिया।
Shabash, that's very good. Okay, and I'm repeating you again, student. Uh, all the copy work will be done in the copy. Workbook done will be the work in the workbook, and all the course book work will be done in the course book. There is no need to write the workbook work in the copy or the course book work in the copy. Okay, Hafsa Asif, you are raising hand. Unmute yourself so I can hear you, beta.
मिस मैं आपसे पूछना चाह रही थी कि ये जो आप ये करवा रही हैं ये किस टॉपिक के लिए और ये हमारे को क्या फायदा देगा?
Beta, it's in your course book. Okay, fabulous base is been given in your course book, and we have done the all the activities regarded to the fabulous bees in the course book, and we have got about the autobiography, and we have learned lots of things. फायदा तो देगा ना बेटा, ये बहुत सारी चीजें हमें समझ में आई है किस तरह करनी है, like
लेकिन
adverb like this.
मिस लेकिन आपसे एक सवाल और है।
जी जी जल्दी पूछें बेटा।
मिस ये क्या नाम है पार्ट डी कोर्स बुक का जो पार्ट डी है
हाँ
जिसमें उनके फायदे और नुकसानात बताने थे, इनमें ना मुझे कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा क्या लिखूं और चैप्टर भी कुछ बता शो नहीं कर रहा है। मेरे सर ने कहा था कि आप अपनी टीचर से पूछेगा, आज आपकी क्लास है तो इस वजह से।
Okay, Hafsa, advantage and the disadvantage I showed you in my previous class. I told you in my previous class, okay, it will be uploaded soon in the YouTube channel. Okay, there you can see and you can take the screenshot over from there. Okay, it will be helpful for
ओके
you.
मिस।
Okay, thank you, beta.
ओके
Okay, thank you. Let's move towards our topic. We have done all the queries, and if you need to ask any questions you can type in the chat box. Okay, and side by side I'm sending you the I'm telling you I'm replying your answers, and I'm telling you and I'm chatting you through the chat box. Okay, autobiography, the word autobiography comes from the Greek word auto means self, bio meaning life, graphy meaning I write. Okay, we are going to write about the autobiography of the garbage truck. Before starting the essay, first we have to understand what is autobiography, and here we are going to understand the autobiography. The word autobiography comes from the Greek word auto meaning self, bio meaning life, graphy meaning write. And I'm repeating you, student, there is no need to write this slide into the copy. Here I'm mentioning you this slide just make you understand what is autobiography. You don't need to write in the copy, you will write only the essay in the copy. Okay, how do you think an autobiography is different to the biography? An autobiography is written by the person themselves. Okay, the person who write the autobiography themselves. Okay, what is autobiography? What is the difference between biography and autobiography? First, we will understand what is the biography, and we will understand what is the autobiography and what is the big difference between them. We have understood about the autobiography. Auto means self, bio meaning life, graphy meaning I write. It means that autobiography is written by the person themselves. And what is the biography? Biography is a text written by a person about someone else. I'm repeating to a student, this slide is making you to understand. There's no need to write these slides into the copy. You just write only writes essay in the copy, except all the things. Okay. An autobiography is a text written. G. Mariam Hafiz, you are asking the question. अच्छा मरियम यू आर आस्किंग दैट मिस जो काम शुरू में दिखाया था वो दिखा दे. So I'll show you all the slides at the end of the lecture. Okay. And Raja Fatma, you are asking about the central idea. I told you about the central idea in my previous class. It will be uploaded soon into the YouTube channel, so you can see you can see soon. Okay, Savera Fayaz, you are asking the meaning of Greek. So, good questions. Greek, Greece is a world, is a country name. Okay, I'm repeating you. Greece, Greece. Greece is the country name, and Greek, the people who belong to the Greece. It means the person who's living in the Greece country. We call them Greek people, or they what they language use. Their language is Greek language. Okay, the people who speaking language in the Greece, we call Greek. Okay, like the Pakistan is a country name, and we are the Pakistani, and what we speak, what we use the language, we use a language of Urdu. Same, the Greece is a country name, and the people who speak the language is the Greek. Greek is the language name. Okay, and got it, Savera Fayaz? And Ari Najam, you are asking the question, Miss, essay letter application copy में करना है? Yes, essay letter application will be done in the copy. Okay, Ari Najam, we have understood. And here we have understood about what is the difference between the biography and the autobiography. Biography is the text written by the person about someone else, and autobiography is the text written by the person about themselves. Autobiography, before writing the autobiography, first we will understand, we will get the tips how to write the autobiography. Okay, we have to keep in our mind the main tips how to write the autobiography. The first tip is the main character is the author. Second tip, recount the key incident in the writer's life. And number three, a key point written in the first person point of view. It means that whenever you will write the autobiography, you have to keep these points in your mind. What are these points? The main character in the is the author. Whenever you will write your biography, who's the main character? The main character will be your author. The main character is the author. Recount the key incident in the writer's life. Whatever the writer's life have incidents, we will write in the autobiography. Written in the first person. When just keep in your mind, whenever you will write autobiography, you will use first person point of view. Okay, reveal the writer's feeling, reaction, values, and goals. Okay, autobiography. Anaya Kutbi, you are asking, Miss, composition part कितने पेज छोड़ के बनाना है? So remember, we make the portion like 50 or 100 pages of the composition side. Okay, Anaya, have you got it? How to make the composition side? We make the composition at the middle of the copy, or the like a one third of the copy. Third part is the composition side, and one part of the is a comprehension side, because letter application and the essay materials are very too much less now as compared to the comprehension side. So we make the 1/3 of the copy portion. Okay, Anaya, got it, beta? Let's start the autobiography. An autobiography, here we are, the essay autobiography. Okay, Anaya, you have got it. An autobiography of the garbage truck. We are going to write the autobiography of the garbage truck. I am a garbage truck like all other vehicles. I am very huge and noisy. People usually don't like me because I left unpleasant smell behind me, but it's not me who creates this unpleasant and smelly trash. Humans are the responsible for it. I arrive every morning and gather all waste materials, trash, and unpleasant things from different societies and living area. I maybe look bad because of huge and funny structure, but I am very useful to keep surrounding clean. My mouth is on my back and my pointy teeth are very white. When I gather garbage, so many yuck things stuck in my teeth like fruit peel, plastic bags, fish bones, and shred of meat. When I complete my round, I spit all garbage at garbage dump away from living areas. It's your duty now to keep all the trash in the bin so it will become easy for me to collect. Here you will change the para, okay? Let's take the screenshot. Let's take the screenshot. If you need to ask any questions, you can type in the chat box or you can raise your hand. We have understood the autobiography of the garbage truck. We have kept in our mind whenever we will write the autobiography. We will what we have to do. We will use the first person. So here we are starting our autobiography by the first person. Grand Faisal, it's not allowed to send you my number. You can, if you ask any question, you can over here. This is a platform for you. You can ask any questions. Anaya Khatib, essay name, beta. It's been mentioned in your in the slide. An autobiography of the garbage truck. This is the essay name. Okay. Autobiography of garbage truck. It's your essay. Anaya, have you understood? Okay. Zainab, I'm showing you beta. Zainab, I'm showing you essay again. Okay, you can take the screenshot. Anaya, you got it. This is the essay name. An autobiography of the garbage truck. It is the essay name. Okay. I am a garbage truck like all other vehicles. I am very huge and noisy. People usually don't like me because I left unpleasant smell behind me, but it's not me who creates this unpleasant and smelly trash. Humans are responsible for it. Here you will change the para. I arrive every morning and gather all these material, trash and unpleasant things from the different societies and living area. I maybe look bad because of huge and funny structure, but I am very useful to keep surrounding clean. My mouth is on my back and my pointy teeth are white when I gather. इब्तिसाम यस बेटा बुक में भी ब्लू इंक पेन से काम करना है ओके यू हैव टू राइट ब्लू इंक पेन इन योर course book in your workbook in your copy okay Ibtisam blue ink pen you have to use and you have to write by the blue ink pen in your course book, workbook and the copy. Okay. Here you can the screenshot. When I complete my round, I spit all the garbage at the garbage dump. Take the screenshots and we will move further. Okay. Let's start the letter. Here the letter writing first we will understand how do we write the informal letter. You will write your address, date and greeting you will start and opening. How do you start the letter like assalamu alaikum, hope you all are well and like this. These are the greeting words. Greeting words dear. Greeting words are dear Dear your friend name and opening, how are you, I'm fine over here, and like this. And content, what's the matter is, you will write in the content. And closing, say salam to your parents and convey my salam to your parents, like this. And signing off and signature, okay, sincerely, like this. Write a letter to your friends. Tell her about the prize you won in the race competition. This is your, you have a question. You will write in the another page. Okay, you will write the question and you will write the letter in the separate page. Examination hall, ABC Road, uh, Mariam Hafiz, don't use the blue pointer, just use the blue fountain pen. If you have used the, okay, doesn't matter, but kindly in the next time use the blue ink pen. Raja Fatma, beta, I show you the paragraph, okay? The examination hall, ABC Road, Karachi, 31st May 2021. Dear friend, I'm fine here and hope you will be fine by the grace of Allah. I'm very happy to inform you about the sports competition. Here we have written the greeting words, dear friend, and here we are starting the, we have started the wo- starting words. I'm fine here and hope you will be fine by the grace of Allah. I'm very happy to inform you about the sports competition. Here we are going to write the content which was held in our school last week. I have also participated in the 100-meter race and I got first prize in the race. Our headmistress gave me prize. I'm very happy and working hard for the next. Convey my salam to, here from the convey, it means that you are going to end the letter. So convey my salam to your family members. Full stop, your loving friends, comma, X, full stop, Y, full stop, Z. Okay, just keep in your mind the punctuation. After the examination hall, you will put the comma, ABC Road, comma, Karachi, full stop, 31st May, comma, 2021, full stop. Similarly, like this, you will write no, Fatma Shahid, this is the letter. Fatma Shahid, it's not an application, it's a letter. Okay. Here I show you that we are going to write a letter. Letter format, letter writing, letter format, greeting, opening, contact, closing. Okay. And here we have the question, write a letter to your friend. Tell her about the prize you won in the race competition. Here I show you the letter writing. How would you write your letter? And here you are the application writing. I hope you have taken the screenshot of the letter and let's move towards the application. Application writing, write an application to your headmistress requesting her for the remission of fine. Take the screenshot, okay? The headmistress, ABC Road, Karachi. You will start from the left side, okay? We have been doing the application. Zainab, I'll show you the essay again. Okay. Uh, your love, yes, you can write your Anaya. You can write your name instead of your XYZ. Okay. After your loving friend. After your loving friend, you will write your name Anaya. Here you are the application, the headmistress ABC School Karachi, application for the remission of fine. Respected madam, most respectfully, it is stated that my English teacher fined me rupees 100 for not appearing in the test. Fine me rupees 100, you will write over here 100. For not appearing, you will write for not appearing in the test that was held on 15th April. Madam, I couldn't appear in the test because my father was ill and nobody in the house to look after him. I request you to kindly allow me uh, fine, and in the next test I'll do my best, inshallah. Thanking you, yours obediently. Okay, kindly remit my fine, and in the next test I will do my best, inshallah. Okay. Anaya, I'll show you the application question. Okay, beta. Just see it and take the screenshot of the application. Okay, this is all from my side. If you ask any questions, you can ask. And side by side, I have replied you to the chat box or to the by raising your hands. Okay. Okay, if you need to ask any questions, you can ask or you can raise your hand. Okay. Mohammed Rafi, you are enrolling over here. Unmute yourself so I can hear your questions. Unmute yourself, Mohammed Rafi, so I can hear you, beta. Mohammed Rafi, unmute yourself.
Yes, miss.
Okay, take the screenshot of all the classes. Acha Khatija, I'm showing you the letter again, so you can take the screenshot. Khatija, here you are the letter question. You can take the screenshot of the letter and you can take the screenshot over here. Okay, Khatija, take the screenshot. Khatija, have you taken the screenshot? Okay. Savera Fayaz, what do you want to ask, beta? Savera. Muskan, letter topic. Okay, Muskan, I'm showing you the letter topic. Here you are the letter topics. This is all from my side. Okay, and have a blessed and stay at your home. Allah Hafiz.